respond to the shifting market by cutting prices. More than 45% of active listings at the end of July had a price drop. Price drops have been increasing for 3 consecutive weeks now. It's Friday, August 5th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Be sure to subscribe to stay updated on what's happening in the Maryland market. Inventory is expanding as a result of slower sales, resulting in more selection for buyers. However, we still only have 1.5 months of inventory. Although interest rates dipped this past week to between 4 and 5% to reward buyers in the current market, new purchase contracts were actually down 74.3% compared to the same time last year. Fear is a big factor for many, with so many external negativities that many are paralyzed from making any decision to buy or sell. Here's a wealth building tip. When fear is in the air, it's a great time to snack on those paralyzed by it. More money is made when folks are fearful. Check this graphic out. Economists predict that we will likely see some areas experiencing pricing adjustments more than others. Worcester County will experience the greatest adjustment, followed by Kent, Caroline, Dorchester, Washington, Wycomico, and Somerset. Now, let's take a look at the inventory movement for Maryland over this past week. 1,073 properties are coming soon, which reflects even fewer than last report. 1,712 homes were listed for sale, another drop in available homes. 1,351 are temporarily off the market, down from the past week. 720 went under contract, also down from last week. 1,115 went pending, which is down further than last week. 1,950 properties sold. The highest sale this past week sold for $12 million in Annapolis on Harness Creek. On the rental front, inventory went up again this week to 1,542, available up to $2,600 per month. Got questions? Call me for real answers. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for August 5th, 2022. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next week, enjoy your weekend. Cheers.